Hi guys, in this video we are going to start a series on Sophos Endpoint Protections where we try to cover the Sophos Endpoint Protections from start to end, and it would be divided in multiple videos and multiple series. This video is like a kind of the introductions of our course where you will learn like who we are and what is Sophos and what is Sophos endpoint protections and what is this course for and the course roadmap. So like we are the cybersecurity company. We also deliver the SOC services, VAPT and lot more things. But yeah, we also have the education part of the cybersecurity where we teach cybersecurity to future students. Sophos is a global leader in the cybersecurity, which have multiple services including firewall, ZTNA, DNS protections, browser, identity protections. There have been multiple series of Sophos things, but yeah, it is famous for its firewall and EDR. And what is Sophos endpoint protections and what is the difference between EDR and XDR? So specifically, EDR stands for the endpoint detections and response, and the XDR stand for the extended detections and response. So the major key features, what's the difference between ADR and XDR is like in the XDR we can include more data, like you can include your Google Workspace, Microsoft Workspace logs, you can include your identity logs, you can include your firewall logs in the same places. Kind of XDR is trying to replace the SIM in the new world. So there are few features of like why Sophos and Pro Productions. One is like AI power defense. They have integrated AI into it. So probably you would be getting the AI log analysis, AI threat hunter, and lot more AI agent based on these things. And who is this course for? Is specifically for the aspiring security analysts, like who want to learn cybersecurity from the start and who want to come under the defensive cybersecurity, specifically cybersecurity student who want to understand like how does cybersecurity work and what are the things which is working. And like if you are a small business owner or the MSPs of Sophos or like who sell Sophos or who do the implementation of Sophos, this course would be right for them as well. So let's move to the roadmap. So like this is the intro video where we are doing the introductions of Sophos, channel intro, and what's our learning roadmap. After that, it's divided into multiple parts. The part one would be the installations on Windows, like where we will be providing you a step-by-step guide on how to install Sophos on Windows. Then we will be configuring the DNS protections. Again, the same way we will be configuring the device encryption, the same way application control. And the next step would be the Sophos DLP, how we can manage the Windows firewall, peripheral control, threat protections, update management, again web control, data collections, manage browser, test alerts. We would be testing the alerts, like we have to make sure okay our Sophos is working completely fine, we are getting the alerts. Then there is a Sophos AI assistant, which is like I was talking about the earlier in terms of the AI power. So they use the AI agent kind of thing. And bonus, if we got a time, we will be covering the troubleshooting, agent health, and policy applications and advanced features. Like suppose that if there is something issue which we will get in this part, so probably we'll be doing that the same thing over the bonus in the troubleshooting sessions. Other than this, like stay tuned for the part one where we'll be starting from the Windows, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Just the humble request, if you can, please do a subscribe. And yeah, other than this, we would be launching our full course soon. And let me know if you are interested for live training online over the Zoom or Google Meet.